Hi viewers, welcome to my another video. In this video we will see how to install a WordPress in our local host. So why I am installing WordPress based videos also you will be seeing, and also we will be creating some plugins as well WordPress using PHP. So that's the reason we are installing this WordPress. To do that, just log in into your channel, log into WordPress download. So you will have this WordPress, just download it. Till it gets download, let us go to our XAMPP folder, start our XAMPP, Apache and MySQL. Make sure you already create an database for that. So here download is completed. I'll open the folder. I'll extract the contents to WordPress. Till it gets extracted, let me create a new one with name WordPress. Okay, so let me close it out, minimize it. Now the extracted file, whichever we get, just copy it to your htdocs folder, create a new folder, name WordPress or any name whichever you require, and paste all the files which you have extracted from the download. Till it gets download, let's open our local host and navigate to our folder. You can see the files has been copied and pasted it in the WordPress. Let's start with the setup config. We will be keeping this as it is. They need database name, username, password, host name, table prefix and all. Table name want to use, database name want to use. Now I'll keep the same thing, WordPress as table name. Username in localhost will be your root, password will not be there, and prefix table let's keep WP itself, or most of the users have WP as prefix, so we will keep as Codemaster Lab CML. Okay, let's click on submit. Now it's absolutely perfect, it has been created. Now let's click on run on installation. Table is needed before we get install it. Site name, it's asking Codemaster Lab, I'll be giving it right now. Username it is asking, let's have Codemaster Lab. Password it is asking, see Codemaster@1, I'll have it. So it's very weak it seems, but fine, we'll use that. It's not required. Double check your email ID, it's asking, it's demo website, so I'll be using Codemaster only, Codemaster@gmail.com. Okay, we'll have Codemaster Lab. Okay, discourage search engines from indexing. Okay, so now install it. Since I am installing it in localhost, I am discouraging this, otherwise you please don't check this box. Perfect. Now WordPress has been successfully installed. Let's go to login page. So this will be our Codemaster login @1. Now click on login. Here you go with the dashboard page, your post, media, pages, comments and everything. In this video you have learned how to install your WordPress and also set up your admin page. In my next videos I'll show you how to set up all these things, what are these, and we'll come one by one all these tabs, and also we'll use some plugins where we can add some plugins as well from here. Okay, thank you for watching, have a nice day.